Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys sound and vibration setting in our Realme phone. In this video friends I will show you guys how can you off guys your touch sound guys. What is touch sound guys? In this video guys I will show you guys, and guys how can you off it in this video guys I will tell you friends. So before starting video friends I want to tell you guys, if you're in my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So then visit touch sound. So when you tap on guys your button and guys your screen and guys any icon, so you can see guys this sound. So friends, you want to off the sound, so guys you can off it in your realme phone. And guys now let's see how to off it in this video guys I will show you friends. First of all guys, open your phone setting to off this touch sound, then guys scroll it, and guys you can see guys your sound and vibration setting friends, tap here. Again scroll guys, you can see guys your haptic and tone setting friends, tap here. So friends, you can see your touch sound, and guys right side guys you can see this blue icon, so I tap on this icon, then guys this touch sound will not work in your phone guys. You can see guys you can operate your phone without this sound. So I hope friends you have understood how to off touch sound in a realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.